So vlog world, you don't know so me there and I wake up this morning, I have to put on back the shot again. I have to wear it because you don't know. I feel one in and I feel me alone, you know. I mean I want to make you know, remember a full shot. And yo, me there I may do some thinking. I may say, I see somebody comment and say, yo, you ever call with people, fans and supporters. But really and truly, you see like how Beyonce have the Beehive, Rihanna have the Navy. Me decide say, alright, me I go call my supporters them, my G's. You know what I mean? Cause you don't know you have your G and uno have my G. And show enough of uno have my G's. So you don't know from today, I go call them my G's. You know what I mean? G-E-E-Z. Uno have my G's. Big up on yourself. Oh no. Where you work, man? What's going on? Work? Facebook, man, up on Facebook. Dante should be working on the vlogs, guys, but Dante up on Facebook right now. Me in the kitchen, but today it's different. And I'm alone in the kitchen today. I have help. Well, me not have no help. I'm me a help. You know what I mean? We have candy in the kitchen. What are you making?
So today we're gonna no, I was gonna get real fancy. Oh yeah, saltfish on butter bean. I was gonna get real fancy with it.
Saltfish and butter. Oh, you mean a fancy dish? Saltfish and butter bean, people.
Dumpling, banana. No, we don't have no bananas. Let me stop lying. No bananas included.
You have the dumpling right there boiling. Yeah. We're gonna do plantain and we're gonna yam. Yo, they may not look like yam for real, you know. You don't know, me I peel the yam. Yam time now. Candy go buy people a white yam. She said she need yellow yam too bitter, so white yam it is. White apple. You know what I'm saying name? White apple. You ever had pum pum yam?
What?
What?
One yam named pum pum yam.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Dante, you know about pum pum yam?
Do me a favor, please.
Me G's. Me G's, you know about pum pum yam?
Get out of here.
Cause them a try to tell me say nothing named pum pum yam.
Get out of here, man. Shit.
Oh my god, I'm gonna slice my finger.
No. Not before. Never heard about no pum pum yam here. You never heard about pum pum yam for real? No.
In Nibu. Sebapo.
She was at the store? Oh, then again, I don't know. She probably don't care about him. I want the butter beans to get soft. Yeah, well, that's... Yeah, I thought she was right.
Me G's right now, you don't know some there. You have Andrew right there. Music. Sick out. We are watching a movie. The movie is out now on YouTube right now. Me there, me a shoot. We are shoot again. Work, we are work.
And a jerk, we are jerk.
And a jerk, we are jerk. Look what we're walking to. Down here. You don't know. What's the pre? What are we shooting?
Famous just done bought up this youth right here. So once again, it's gonna be released on my YouTube. This is Dante Team Elite. Or you can go to teamelitephoto.com and check it out. But this year is the year. Just know that this is 3 years in the making. Breakaway, the web series. Look out for it.
Yeah, definitely. And then you have Ricky right there. What you have to say? How does it feel?
What I did, I apologize.
You apologize. You can't apologize too late right now. So yeah, we're there.
Bigs, tell me the bigs.
Yeah, the Bigs and Chris, Rambo soon forward for come shoot film shot. We're there. And we are doing it. Yeah, the light and bad. Everyone been looking at some different light. Jesus Christ.
What mosquito on the pump set?
You see how the little set, nice people.
We gonna look savage.
Yeah, man. That's how we do it. We put it in work and that's how we do it first.
And Ricky is known as Chris.
Oh, I was gonna say. So, Ricky.
So we're about to get back to the filming, so I'll touch back and base with you guys in a few. Okay, this is Dante. Keep it.
I don't know what I did. People, call the police.
Call him.
Call them. 119.
That's Jamaica that.
Oh, 911.
You have credit for that. The house have become a shooting house. Everywhere somebody there, somebody a shoot. If somebody in a shoot a scene, somebody a vlog. right now I can guarantee Chaba says some more vlog. Dante now vlog right now because Dante just shoot a scene.
Yes,
You know what I mean? But as we said the house here, every single corner somebody that do something else here. And we there watch her. Properlicious.
Yo,
That's rich. Yo. We all consume some lunch and now lunchtime right now.
McDonald's or I'm gonna get a patty and cocoa bread, one out of the two.
I don't know how I feel for. We're up on a food run, you know what I mean? Quick little.
Hi guys.
This is one you're out here, so.
Hi guys.
Sick. You know, you look high, but you know so frost your frost. No, me I say, I sick you're sick, we know I sick you're sick.
I wanna go.
We're not going nowhere yet.
No.
You wanna go somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
I drive to Henry, drive to Mickey D's.
We just not going. Dog, me sick bad, no funny shit, dog. Me sick bad.
Yo, you need a soup made up, you know. Dante right there. We'll make a quick Mickey D's run. Get some snack wraps, fries, and you know what I mean? Cook some chicken back. You know what I mean? You don't have to ask chicken back every day. Every single day chicken back. A full national dish.
How you doing?
Alright.
You got 3 my chicken, a snack wrap, or medium fry?
Right.
Yes, I full that one.
$7.69.
Yeah, man, $7.69. You know what I mean? Wifey 69 still. You couldn't round it off to nearest 7. Miss? But yeah, we're there. And we just up on the road. Yo, she's so tired still. Like Sherry morning, she from morning. Chicken back, as we say, white rice, and little beverage. Trouble sick out, and when you're sick, you know you can't consume white rice. Any fine words? Team Elite?
I need some lotion, you know.
Me out here and this up me. Woo, me a burn up. Never know so out here hot. No man, she must have to. We rocking the windows down. Yeah, we're there and we just had to do it. So we just get the food. As we said, it was a quick run. Just reaching back, we're going to consume food right now. Look where Dante is.
Only the real know. So if you don't know, you ain't real.
Some Shishipruden Naruto type. One bag of reading. Me ain't that. Me want to just watch it.
Reading is fundamental, kids.
Fun partner in this. Chicken back time. People, look here.
God.
Look here, people. You know long me no see chicken back so pretty. You know long me no get chicken back so pretty a foreign. No long me no get chicken back this good a foreign. Travis over there editing. Dante down there monitoring blow. Blow around the hot dog now listen. Right now I brown through some chicken back but the brown ain't finished. What me have to end up do is burn the sugar and do it the way there. It's like a old remedy. All the people know it, all the people don't know about it, but I'm gonna burn the sugar and deal with it. See you.
My girl, she have a wine on my life. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on my life. Slow down on me like my girl. She have a wine on my life. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on my life.
This is the sugar, the brown sugar. Use this and burn it.
When she ride, I like my girl. She no wanna waste man. Me alone, she wind up her waistband. Slow wine and make up her face and she see me alone dead from day one. She's no touch, she no mess with bay man. She's no touch, she no mess with bay man. My girl, she have a wine on me like. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Slow down on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Take time on me like my girl. She have a wine on me like. Slow down when me like my girl. Let me tell her this. No girl, me never give me out like this. The way you move when you turn and twist. Lord God, me swear me love this. Your cute little face with your pretty little lips. Move up your waistline, show off your hips. Be a man a pre when you go on like this. Girl, take the video.
So just don't cook right now. Me about figure share and shell the food. I'm hungry. So food done. Consume food. Show us over this watching vlog. Him just upload a vlog. Dante is somewhere upstairs and edit film vlog. I'm just there. Me I go edit this here now. I'm gonna get it. And like me always tell you, start the next one. So until then, big up on yourself.